Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to find local guide contributions. If you want to find your local guide contributions on Google Maps, you can easily view your reviews, photos, ratings, and other activity from your profile. So open Google Maps and make sure you're signed in. Next, tap or click your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and select your profile from the options. Once you're here, scroll down to the contributions section or reviews. So here you can see your reviews, photos, places, and other contributions. You can tap to see more details, select the specific contribution category you want to browse, etc.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
You can also open your Google Maps profile directly and check your local guide activity, including your local guide level and points. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.